Hey everyone, welcome back to Glamour Has No Age. I figured I'd do a short holiday makeup. I have gotten this palette from Ipsy Bakshi Charm. It's the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry. It has some really cool neutrals in it. So I figured I'd use this for my eye, try it out, see if I want to keep it. And I have a red lip. I'm going to use the BK Beauty 201. I'm going to go into there's no names. This cool crease shade. Where is this made? Made in China. Not a lot of kick up in the pan. Ooh. Looks like it, yeah, it blended nicely. .205 and do my outer V in this color right here. So wish me luck. These powders are blending nicely. I'm going to use the shimmer brush from Angie's line, and I'm going to go into this color right here. You know, I like this formula. Oh, there's color names on this, is there? Yes. This one is a Surd, the one I used in my crease. The one I used in my outer V is Empower. And then Zealous is the shimmer. Not bad for a neutral look. It's not bad for a neutral look. I'm gonna try and curl my eyelashes. Put on some mascara. Got mascara on myself. Wait for that to dry. I have the St. Lux lip liner in Carnelian. It's a red. Well, we'll see how this lip application goes. And I have from last year's holiday in the luster glass, put a bow on it. Well, I shouldn't have brought the line all the way in with the lip liner. Kind of got a Joker look going on right now. Other than that, the rest of the look looks fine. Other than the mascara on my face. Well, that's my holiday look. I'll have to fix my lip, figure out how to do it. But other than that, it's a good laugh for today's video. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.